started just under a year ago, and I was so excited by the fact, it was so unique, the fact that you didn't have to sell or recruit to earn an income here. You could actually make money by using the products. I mean, how many companies can you do that with? I don't think any.
Can actually earn money online from the comfort of my own home using just a smartphone.
When I first came in, I started as a complete newbie, knowing nothing about Forex, and I had a sum of money that I put in. I was able to double that in 20 days.
I replaced my job completely, and it has allowed me to continue to stay at home.
If anyone had told me a year ago that I would be here now trading Forex, I'd have said you were crazy. But here I am, and if I can do it, trust me, so can you.
I knew nothing about Forex when I first started. I didn't even know what Forex stood for. It's foreign exchange, and I'm loving it.
And I joined up to become financially free, and I'll be financially free about this time next year. So really, really good company to get into.
And it doesn't matter what your ability is, you can come in at any level, you can be a complete newbie and pick it up. Breaks it down, there's no pressure.
If you're like me, in a job you don't want to do for the rest of your life, and work long hours, work for a boss, just join up.
It's the only thing I can look everybody in the eye and say, do you know what, you can win with this. Because it doesn't rely on selling, it doesn't rely on recruiting or referring others. You can literally do this locked in your garage as long as you've got an internet connection and a mobile phone. That's all you need.
You see, when I first heard about IMarketsLive, I had no idea what Forex was. I had heard the term Forex, and I knew it had something to do with trading, but that's literally all I knew. I did not even know that it stood for foreign exchange and that we were trading foreign currencies, which happens every single day, right? It's the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. $5.3 trillion a day is traded in the Forex markets, and now we can tap into those markets with a smartphone or smart device and a Wi-Fi connection. That's literally all we need. It's really stinking amazing. My personal favorite product is called SwipeTrades.
SwipeTrades.
And the SwipeTrades app.
We SwipeTrade.
SwipeTrades.
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 And I think that's the power with IML. There's actually 8 ways you can produce an income here. There's something for everybody.
The Harmonic Scanner.
Harmonic Scanner.
IML Academy.
The IML Academy.
IML TV.
The iMarkets TV.
IML TV.
Web Analyzer.
Crypto Web Analyzer.
One of the things that I absolutely love about IML is that they are entirely newbie friendly. I can already start to take advantage of the tools and products and start earning some money, while at the same time I am going down the educational path and learning how to trade Forex on my own.
They teach you how to do it responsibly. They teach you how to use proper risk management. They teach you how to protect your money before you make your money. This is so important, and they are so good at training people.
What I really love about IML is their openness, their ability to share all of the information, all of their results, good, bad, and ugly.
One of the things that I really like about the company is we've got a fantastic education platform, because what you're learning here is Forex. And within Forex is you're learning a life skill.
I think IML, IMarketsLive, a great company with some amazing products and educators. And like I say, it's been nearly a year since I've joined, and this is all I do now. I've learning a new life skill.
The thing that I like the most is you're able to make money without recruitment. I decided to come into IMarketsLive just to learn to trade Forex initially.
Great company to work with. I'm so glad I took the opportunity at the time.
There are goals there to be achieved, and they can be achieved with the teachings that you can learn by going through the academy, by listening to people who've done it before you, taking advice and heeding it.
Would I recommend it? Obviously I'd have to say yes, because of what it's done for me.
They're just continually expanding. Where they are today is great, and I just see them continuing to improve and expand. And they have the new crypto educators that with Bitcoin and stuff like that going on, that frenzy.
I've had an absolutely fantastic experience. What I've learned and what what I've managed to learn in those 3 months is sort of gone above and beyond what my expectations were when I joined the company.
They've grown hugely in just the 8 months I've been with them. They've expanded. They're expanding all the time. They're getting more educators on board. They're keeping up to date. You know, the cryptocurrencies are getting big now, so they're bringing those on board.
Way to learn Forex, which will give you a skill that will last you for the rest of your life. So if you're looking for anything for extra income, if you're looking for holidays, pay the mortgage, buy a car, or just for me, it's to help me get into my retirement in a few years' time.
Now I'm making more a month than I'm spending, and that's never happened to me in any other company I've ever been in. So.
Really good company to get into, and I'll forever be grateful. So.
The thing that I love the most about IML is not just the company, like the company's great and they offer so much value, but it's also the group that I'm in, so the community that I'm in. I've met so many, just down to earth, real people that are all just so helpful. They're all, like, everyone is genuine, and there's no clambering over the top of other people to get to the top, so that, that one wins and another loses. There's nothing like that I've come across. It's a case of everyone that's in this group is there to support each other and encourage each other. So
we all want to get those pips, we all want to profit, and we are all prepared to share strategies and ways that we are doing that to help everybody win. It's just incredible.
It's a big, huge, massive family, so please do come along and you'd be more than welcome, and I look forward to seeing you in the group.
Wonderful thing I love about the company is it's just everybody just wants to help everybody become successful, especially in our ninja group that we have here on Facebook. It's just a completely different world. So
what I've found is an amazing community where we all literally drag each other through. You're in the right place. And if you're not here, you need to be.
I'm so pleased I found them.
Really hope you get plugged in with us very soon, and we'll talk to you then.
I thoroughly recommend it. Get involved. We've got a great group for support. We've got a great team that are there to help answer questions, etc., etc. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
There's really no limit to what you can do here at iMarketsLive. I hope that you get back to the person that invited you to watch this video and ask them how you can get started today.
So what are you waiting for? Come and join our team, come and join the IML Ninja group, because our group is so special. We are all there to help each other. You can see from this video how incredibly, warm and friendly and genuine everybody actually is. Come and contact one of us in this team. Get involved with IML. Let's get you plugged into the system. Let's get you trained. Let's get you in the group. Let's get you supported. Can't wait to see you on the inside. Click the link around this video somewhere, please. Come on, get involved. Let's see you on the inside.
You can't go wrong with it. Thank you.
Please note, past profits do not guarantee future results.